How to activate TD Bank Visa credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about credit card activation of TD Bank. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the official website of TD Bank. And after you do that, locate the login option that is highlighted in green color in the top upper right hand side of the screen. Select online banking, that is just Evolve the Easy Web. And once you click on it, you will be taken to the login portal where you have to enter your correct form of your username in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And in the case if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials, simply check this option over here. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your password or your username, you can simply go ahead and click on this link of forgot username and the password in order to successfully retry or reset your password. And after you have entered the correct form of your credentials, simply click on the login button that is highlighted in green color in order to successfully log into your TD Bank account. And if you haven't signed up for the online banking yet, you can simply go ahead and click on this option over here. And if you'd like to view the online banking demo, you can click on this link over here. And if you'd also like to learn more about TD mobile banking, you can click on this option over here. So talking about the activation of your credit card online, so after logging into your account, you have to go to your account details page, and from there select activate the card. And then after, go to your mobile banking, go to your account details, then after go to your account details and select activate card link. So if you're using an online banking, simply go to your account details page and select activate card link. And if you're using a mobile banking, simply go to your account details and select activate card link. Then you will be prompted to select which card. If you have multiple, then provide some basic info. Then they'll ask you to provide your CVV code that is just in the back of your card and the expiration date, and that's it. The card will be active and it will be ready to use once you have completed this quick steps. So cards that require the activation will show up when you select the activated credit card under the credit card settings or the activate card from the account details. And if you don't see your card here, it means that the card associated with the account is active. And if you still have questions, you can call the number on the back of your card for the assistance. And for the authorized user cards, if you're a primary card holder, you can activate all the cards on the account. This can be done through the TD Bank online banking or the TD mobile bank by activating the primary card. For that, you have to simply go ahead and enter your username and the password of your mobile banking and simply log into your account and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the process. So this was all about it. This is how you can activate your TD Bank credit card account. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.